Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. We're staying over here at Disney's Coronado Springs. This is one of Disney's moderate resorts. We're over here in the Ranchos building, and we're going to give you a tour of room 6200. So come on in, check it out. One nice thing is you can link your Magic Band with your My Disney Experience app, and you're able to use it as a key for your door. You're also able to use it to charge all kinds of items all over the resort that you would like to use. First thing is, you do have your door hanger here, guys, if you don't want to be disturbed. I highly recommend putting this out on checkout day. If you're not ready to leave the room by 8 a.m., you do have till 11, because they will knock on your door because they want to try to come in and clean, which is understandable. But if you have this, they will respect that till you leave. Also have a little bit of evacuation notices here on your door. You have a nice big vent here for your air conditioning. One thing about this resort though, it does have the old school AC system. Although I can tell you this one is working quite well. It is nice and cool in here. I've also turned on all the lights so that we have plenty of light as we go through the tour. I think I'll just start here because they have these little bedside like reading lights. You just pop them out and they come on. They don't swivel all that great though. You would think maybe you could swivel it that way a little bit, but they just pop in and out. And then you have a couple of those sconces there on the headboard. And I believe this is 2 queens. Is that correct, Roberta? 2 queen beds?
2 queen beds, yeah.
So you get your 2 queen beds as we come around. And also, they are elevated, so with your luggage, you can slide it. If you unpack, you can slide your bags under there on both sides. And here in the middle, we have a one nightstand, so you kind of share it between both beds. But there are some outlets. There's some USB outlets. And you have your controls here. These control all the lights, and these 2 control the fan. So, one of them will shut off the light. The bottom one will shut off the fan. With moderate resorts, you do get the ceiling fan, which is quite cool. Also, some nice artwork here. Roberta, help us with the characters here. I know my guy from Rio de Janeiro, yeah. Roberta's hometown, where she was born.
Ponchito, and then Donald Duck.
Donald Duck up top. And again, same thing on this side. You got your phone. If you need anything, resort phone, house phone, you can call directly. Got one drawer there. And then you have a safe. I'm just going to keep rolling, guys, as we go through the room. So that's the idea there of the beds. Just kind of give you a shot on the angle here. The room it's a nice room. It's updated, it's current. You can probably hear that bathroom fan. I got every outlet turned on. Now I'll kind of just make my way down, and then we'll head to the bathroom. So you have your trash here, full-length mirror. Subscribe to Medling World, guys. Coming over here, you have your remote, some information about the resort, more outlets, storage. Yep, just regular storage there. They also have this interactive, it's kind of like an app you can use for information around Disney. We don't really mess with it. I'm just going to show you what it is. Up to you if you want to use it. It's a voice command. I have another little overhead little light here. Good for like if you have your computer out. Some more outlets. Nice desk chair. And, oh, no desk drawer though, strange. And then of course, refrigerator. And in my experience, these, they're technically called, right, beverage coolers. So they're around 41 degrees. They're not technically a refrigerator. They work fine though, right? We've used them plenty of times.
Yeah.
In fact, I think they work pretty well. Come up here, you do have your, as far as I know, it's Joffrey's. Yes, you have your Joffrey's coffee service with a Keurig, and you have some, usually you have teas.
Right here. That's
okay, teas. There's a couple teas as well. And you can ask for extra. This is a nice bonus with staying at Disney. And then you have an ice bucket with some disposable cups with, I do appreciate the disposable And then we are in a corner room. You have a nice big corner window here. And these are very nice if you want to stay dark in the morning. Those work well. Not the greatest view though, as you can see. There's a big AC unit behind that wall. Over here.
What is this?
Oh, Roberta's asking what's going on. I'm gonna go over there in a minute. Not the greatest view, but you know what? We're here for a night. It's gonna be fine. Roberta's saying, what is this? Oh, somebody put foil in there. Now listen. I mean, you know, you cannot, like with your regular eye, I worked in hotels many years. If you went on the other side of this and you tried to look in the hole, you cannot see in the room. Now, there's probably some kind of technology, you know, maybe nowadays, but we did not do that. That's there. I'm just going to leave it there. But that's kind of an overview of the room. So before we get into the bathroom, I did want to show you, we are on a corner room and there's no adjoining room. So we only have one room on that side of us. There is a room above us and below us, but always nice when you stay in a resort to get one of those corner rooms, I think. But anyway, let's head into the bathroom. I don't know if they shut all the way though, which probably not the biggest deal because this is more of your sink area. You can change in here too, but the one nice thing about this is I'll show you, it's a split bathroom. So I'm gonna just shut it so I can show you actually how it works. So what's nice here with the dual sinks is somebody could come over here, you know, even if you had a family of 4, a couple people could come here, brush their teeth, somebody has to shave, you can kind of get a little bit of a head start of what you're doing. Or if you already took your shower, you could come out here, somebody else can utilize that side. So point is, you can use the bathroom, the shower, and other people can come out here and get ready. It does save a lot of time. Their cruise ships are set up the same way. I love that Disney does that. Pretty much all of their rooms so far that I've been in. Down here we have hair dryer, some towels. Under here just sink access. I do like the sinks though, they're nice sinks. You have your products here. Even mouthwash, Roberta.
Yeah.
Some little shower cap, looks like some little vanity kit. Some lotions, soap. You have Kleenex. And now we have more storage. And one thing different about the Valley resorts that I've stayed at, you usually don't get a luggage rack.
No.
That can be a lifesaver if you don't have enough room.
We do prefer, because a lot of times,
if you're here for a night
or 1 or 2 nights, you don't want to take
1 or 2 nights, usually I'm just going to lay that out and open up.
Yeah.
And then what we usually do is we hang a little Medling World tips. We usually hang up a hamper here, one of those mesh hampers. And as our clothes get dirty, we just throw them in there. And then at the end, you have all your dirty clothes in one spot. Extra pillow blankets, ironing board. And looks like the iron down there.
Yeah.
More towels. Got a check in here yet?
Yeah, I think so.
Just a little spot. All right, now I will apologize. I don't know how to shut off that exhaust fan. I think it might just be linked when you turn it on, which isn't a bad idea. It keeps the steam and it keeps mold down. So that is your exhaust fan, guys. I'll talk a little louder. Some more towels here. Extra toilet paper. Your toilet. You got a nice rack out here too, so if you're taking your shower, you can hang your towel. Usually there's hooks. This is one thing I'm not noticing. A lot of times there's hooks. What I'll do is hang my shorts and stuff, or a shirt on there that I want to wear, especially if it has wrinkles. There's a steam. Oh, there's a hook. There's a hook there that you can utilize. And then that shuts with a lock. Alright, let's check out inside the shower. Oh, one thing. Oh yeah, there's some outlets here. Okay, so we do have some outlets here that are grounded for safety. And then over here you can see the nice shower. It's got the glass. Got a shower head there. Another shower head that you can pull off and utilize. You can put some soap, something on there. Maybe you could put your foot on there if you wanted to clean up. And a clothes hanger. Let me just kind of show you how it works if you're not familiar with it. This would come out and you attach it there. And then you can hang bathing suits on it. It's convenient. If you're gonna, you know, if you only have one with you maybe and you want it to dry, because, you know, yeah, even though you're going in the pool, it's nice to go in the pool with a dry bathing suit. So there you have it. A full tour of a rancho. I don't know if it's rancho or rancho. Guys, you know me if you watch the channel. I'm from New England. I got an accent. That's the way it is. But in vlog time, 2 seconds, we're going to give you a review of the room. So what we like to do when we do our room tours, and guys, we're doing every single Disney resort. We're up to our 5th one. We're doing all of them. Now, it's going to take some time. We have other vlogs in between, some cruises and some Disney stuff, Universal. But we are doing every single Disney resort. Again, we're up to our 5th resort. And what we started to do with our room tours is include a review, which I like to do. We tell you how the experience was. Was it loud outside? Could we hear neighbors? How was the bed? Did the AC work? Things like that, and give you our opinions about how it was to stay in the room. So guys, I'll be back in 2 seconds vlog time. Update, guys, before anything else. We're trying to figure out how to shut the exhaust fan off. We're doing all these, nothing, and then, of course, Roberta, the engineer that she is, that one. There you have it. That's how you turn your fan on and off. All right, guys, right back with you for the room review. I think overall, this room was very good.
Yeah.
Jake agrees.
You couldn't hear anything.
We didn't hear any of the neighbors. We've had some experiences, I think, if I can remember right, All Stars and Pop Century, where we could really hear the people next door to us. That did not happen here. So we have people above us, people below us, people only on one side. Out here, we do have an end room. So it was very quiet. And behind that wall, I don't think I showed it yesterday, but I did in my regular vlog. So go back and watch our vlog from our experience here overall. There's AC units behind there. Never heard a thing. The only noise I really heard, which is kind of normal at Disney resorts, is these are these open kind of hallways where people roll their luggage. That was really it. That was really the only noise I heard, which is, it's normal. You know, people next door, whatever, opening and closing the door, but that's normal noise.
Yeah.
There was nothing out of the ordinary. The AC was awesome in this room. Again, at All Stars, it's the same kind of older unit, but this one worked better. I think it's just the placement with the sensor and maybe the fan, because that fan is spinning, and I think that sensor picks up that fan spinning, and it stayed on. It stayed cool. In fact, I love to have a really cold room. This room got so cold I actually had to turn the AC up, which is very rare. So that worked well. All of the things in the room worked. Coffee maker is nice. We had some coffees. Everything was good. Do you guys really have anything negative to say about this room?
No, the bed was comfortable.
The beds were good. Shower was nice.
The room was clean.
Yeah.
It has, you can make it like a little dual shower thingy.
Yeah, there was 2 shower heads, as you saw in the
That's cool. Yeah,
tour.
I like that. Yeah.
So guys,
And so storage too. This one has the luggage rack.
Yeah, we
which
showed
is
that.
like
Yeah.
for us, it's a bonus because
We're just here at night.
for
Yeah.
night.
So you don't have to take everything out. You just open
It
it
has
up.
a little bit more storage than the other resorts, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's a little bit nicer. Yeah.
Yeah, we got lucky. Like I said, you know, if you watch our vlog, we had a little bit of a mishap trying to check in. We had to switch rooms.
Yeah.
But after that, everything worked out well.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. And last but not least, see ya!